Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this video as a weekly recap and showing some setups for the coming week. So let's get started. This is not the one. All right, so let's take a look at the trades taken last week, all of them. So the last week started on the 27th March. And this is the first trade, pound yen, and you all know my entry is on the left hand side. You can see buy entry as I'll move to break even plus. This is 155 pip all the way from here. Boom, came down and all the way here. So 155 pip here. Euro yen, same kind of setup, but I took this dip here and then it goes from here to 120 buy order here. Then again, crude oil from 69.55 to 73 on the 27th. And here on the 27th, euro yen again from the other account, actually, other computer. Same entry, but on the other computer. You can see the size of the trade, this picture. It's a laptop. All right, so this is 110 pip there. And GJ from here, the first entry was here, right? The second was, I took it from here. On the other computer, this one is for 130 pip. GN pound Nuzi on the 27th, a lot of trades on 27th. 120 pip. Look how beautiful this trade is. And the entry actually. This was the entry. This was the entry. And the third entry was this. The fourth entry was this. But you don't need to take all of those. Just take one of these entries and right. GJ again on 28 after going up, retracing, and this again, boom, 95 pip. All yen pair went flying this last week, huh? Euro yen, this one from this to here on the 28th, 95 pip. You can do the same with this system. Anybody can do it because when the setup is ready, the alarm beeps and then it calls you, come and take the trade. Simple as that. All the conditions are put them in the alarm already. So once all the conditions are right, then the alarm will beep, and then you go and then take the trade, put the SL right behind the high or the low, whatever. In this case, this you put the SL here, which is always 25 pip. So if the price goes up a little bit there, you come and sit on a break even. That's it, and then you look for the target around daily range. Each pair has a daily range. And then every day it goes very close by to that daily range. It's either 100 pip, 150 pip. Some pairs have 200 pip, right? So you can, like sometimes like this one, only 50 pip, but pound yen the other day, 155 pip. That's how it is. This was my entry too. You see that? My entry here, boom, and came down. So, and then people ask me, why I don't show. What am I gonna do showing these, losers? I lost this trade. Break even. So it's like there was no trade. Forget about it. This was the one that I need to show that, I came up with a positive 50 pip. On this one again is Aussie yen. This 55 pip, small trades because they are already went all the way to the upside, very close to the daily range. So don't want to mess around with that. But look at the entries. This one, not this one proper entry, but this is the proper entry. This one, this beautiful entries all over the place. USD CAD dropping, boom, entry and down on the 29th for 95 pip. And then pound yen from 7-minute chart, I got this 60 pip. Right. So sometimes, I take the entries from 7-minute chart as well. If I am late taking the 20-minute chart entry. Right. The 20-minute, if it's already gone, then I don't want to take a risk of retracing on me. So when I wait, retrace, then it goes back up again, start to go up, and then you open the trade so that the price never retrace against you. If it is retracing, it's going to hit your SL. That's it. Bye-bye. Thank you very much. But this is the way. This is the system that you get into the continuation rather than pullbacks, right? You make an entry, and with the continuation, it starts so that immediately you go positive. That's how it is. Anyway, so this one is oil from 73.36 to 75. All right. So these were few trades last week, 12, 13. But let me show you the S&P 500, DAX, and stuff like that, what's happening there. This is the chart I made. It's 80-minute chart. It's my chart. It's like daily chart, you can say. So this was the chart I said that, okay, this is something like this. It's a contracting bullish triangle in wave 4, and wave 5 supposed to be starting right from here somewhere, right? Look what happened to this chart as of Friday. Beautiful, right? It went down a little bit, but then again, boom, it went up straight, right? And these are the entries on this chart. This is a big chart, right? So the big entries you can hold for like day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, like that. But on a smaller time frame where you can just hit and run is this. Look at that. Beautiful. This is the entry is on March 29. This is March 29. This is 30. This is 31st. This is how it went up all the way. Nasdaq. S&P 500, you can see that this is the chart. Well, this is the current chart. The one I made was, I don't know where it is, but this is the one I just now. I couldn't find that, somewhere hidden on my computer. But this is the chart, and it's powerfully going to the upside. It was going to the upside, and this is how it went. Look, entries from my system. This is the entry on the March 29. This is the entry on March 30. This is the entry March 31st. And this is how it went. So the price goes in a weekly chart or daily chart, you see, but where the heck, you make the entry. That's what it is. The system gives you precise entries with the continuation. When the blue candle starts after the red retracement, then we get in. Right here, so the red, and then it start to go up. Right here we get in. And the SL is right behind the low. And so you see, SL never got hit. Anyway, so this is the S&P. Let's see the DAX chart. I made this, I'm showing the old chart, 15th October, and now the price is right around here, just close to this high. Look, you see that? But last week it was going up, and this is what it did. The entries, beautiful entry on March 27. This is March 28, gone with the wind. This is how DAX goes. So this system gives you beautiful entries. Anything. Let's take a look at the oil, maybe gold, oil. Okay, see, crude oil, weekly chart. I made this on the 16th March. What happened to this chart so far? It's right there. And I'm predicting that it's going to be, if it goes above this, it's going to go all the way to the upside. How it goes, my current chart, my current entry, this is the entry, and this is still valid and still running. I didn't close this trade. It is from 73.36 to 75.69. And this is the gold chart I made on the 28th January when the price was here. Actually, I made the chart from here, but I'm not showing that. It's going to be a video, going to be too long. So once it's there, I said, now it's not going to go up. It's going to drop here to 1802 and then go to the upside. So look what happened on this one. Exactly what I said. It came down, dropped to 1802, and then from there, it bounced, and it is right here right now. More to come later on. And that's it. So I don't know the entry charts. I had so many gold chart trades coming down, going to the upside, but I don't want to make the video too long. So this is how it is. So if you want to learn all of this, right, go on my website and subscribe. You can subscribe monthly, or you can subscribe if you want to learn everything from A to Z and become a master of not only this system, but the whole thing, like Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, the technical analysis game. Then sign up for one-on-one, and I'll make you a master of all this mumbo jumbo. And then you will be attending this one-on-one course. Is 1 year free subscription, and you will be a part of my Telegram as well, where I post heads up about the upcoming setups, the charts, the blah blah, everything here. It's a big help. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend, which is Sunday, a few hours. I'm going to go to sleep now because I'm making new charts for my subscribers. Very, very tired. I'm going to go sleep for a few hours and then get up and finish up the charts, send out the charts, and then I have to do the webinar at 4. All right. So this is it for now, and talk to you guys later.